around the wicket now. Change of angle.
Silk chases it.
Shots.
Lofts it. And he's caught by Nisa. Oh no, he's thrown it over the rope. He goes again. I don't think his feet were in the air, were they?
For Nisa, we've seen this happen a few times. I saw Matt Renshaw do this before, and I'm pretty sure this is out.
So if his feet are planted when he takes the catch again...
Look at that.
When that rule came out, I thought the same thing.
No,
Here's the replay.
I'm backing you in.
So his first contact
catch.
Inside the rope, throws it up.
No dramas. Now, when does he take it?
So he has to jump up here and be in air. So as long as his foot wasn't touching there.
Oh, my goodness me, this is going to be so close.
Imagine dropping the last one. That would be embarrassing.
So is his left foot in contact with the ground while he still has some of the ball in his hand?
I reckon he's in trouble when he jumps. So, right.
Up. Oh, I reckon that's a catch. They're going to have to freeze it. He's in the air. It's out. It's out. Glenn Maxwell. Well, we always knew you had a good eye, Maxie, but you've absolutely nailed it there. And speaking of nailing it, Michael Nisa, in a clutch moment in this match, looks like he's produced a miracle. And the most amazing bit of clear thinking amid the chaos of the match scenario.
About fielders on the boundary, you have to be aware of where the boundary line is, aware of what your feet are doing, and making sure that you're watching the ball at all times. And he was so calm, cool, calm and collected the whole way through that, and that's doing if it was right, but that's an amazing bit of fielding, and what a way to potentially